Hello there, we're back to weather update that's completely different compared to weather. We'll be talking about Canada really today. We do have a slight risk of severe weather, but we have a moderate risk of thunderstorms across portions, actually a high risk of thunderstorms across portions of stretching from Regina, Yorkton, Pass, Lodge, and we'll continue to track all this. However, that we're going to be looking at some very favorable conditions, especially hence tonight. We're going to be seeing some supercells develop. We're going to be seeing a couple of these possibly producing between maybe a couple tornadoes and also maybe some baseball-sized hail up to baseball size, and also winds up to 75 miles per hour. We're looking at a very favorable environment, especially with mixed layer K values around 1,500 joules per kilogram is possible. However, though, the main we have 500 millibar jets around 60 knots, and really jet dynamics are really favorable, especially with autographs. They're going to be seeing some veering as well in the wind profiles, which is going to be supporting some low level rotation, which is why there's a tornado risk as well today. And really as well we have 0 to 6 kilometer shear. We're going to be looking at around 40 to 50 knots and 1,500 to 2,500 joules per kilogram, and with also daytime highs around 30 degrees Celsius. We'll be seeing some plentiful dew points along with that around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, courtesy of the ECCC forecast discussion. And we're really going to continue to track this. Looking at the current watches and warnings, though, right now, looking at current surface analysis road, though, is in Regina is around 31 degrees Celsius, and then Saskatchewan, I don't know how you pronounce that, I'm bad. We're looking at around 32 degrees Celsius today, and really, we're going to be watching all this to see what happens. And looking at the public alerts, we have a watch in place. We have a couple warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings across portions of Alberta. We're going to go take a look at these cells. And really, we have a line of thunderstorms right around here, maybe a couple supercells located right here along the line. Looking at a loop. These are going to continue to push off to the north and east. These are still providing a threat. Looking at a couple severe thunderstorm warnings we have. These are expected to have a threat producing some very strong wind gusts, and also some large hail is possible. And that's really everything within these watches. But we also, in Alberta, we have a severe thunderstorm watch. That are expected to be capable of producing some strong wind gusts and large hail. And we have also a bunch of air quality alerts in the cross portions of Saskatchewan. We have severe thunderstorm watch across, and really we'll be seeing some very dangerous thunderstorms are possible. As going to be producing some strong winds, damaging winds, and hail with heavy rainfall as well, which is yeah, we'll see really what goes on. But then Quebec, we also have severe thunderstorm warning. I think we can probably get that pulled up. Does radar still work? Nope, it doesn't. I need to get what cell is it? It's the one. I think we can probably get the right radar up. I don't know which one it is actually. So along the river, it's around. I don't have a clue really. It's apparently right here, but it doesn't seem to be doing much right now. I might have. I don't know really. But interesting. Yeah, we'll continue to track really all this, but we have a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings again. Make sure to be safe as well, especially when you're under a severe thunderstorm warning. Keep the eyes on the sky really, and we'll see what happens. But apart from that, it's really